box. The box is back.
Oh, look at you reading my mind. All right, welcome to day 21.
Are you tired of drinking wine yet?
Never. I don't think I could ever be tired of drinking wine.
Okay.
Maybe if it was like only sweet wine ever.
Yeah.
Like maybe.
Mm.
Not tired of drinking wine yet.
This has totally been something we look forward to every day. Like it's a
I'm
little
actually
part of our day that like,
Yeah.
yeah,
I'm actually kind of sad to see this
dwindling
go.
down.
Yeah, we only have a couple days, only a couple days left.
Yeah.
4 bottles of wine left. Hopefully our math is correct today. I mean, the other day, I'm like, yeah, we got 4. We had 6 bottles of wine left. So let's open it up, see what it is. What are we predicting today?
So yesterday was a white.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna stick. I think yesterday I said I think it's gonna be a California red.
I said Merlot from California.
I think it's a Cabernet. That's a good guess because we haven't had Merlot yet.
I don't think, yeah.
So
Or
have we had Cabernet yet?
Yeah.
We have, right? Yeah.
I think they're going to just start throwing some random ones at us, though. So Merlot from France or California.
Okay.
Right?
I say California red.
You want to do the honors?
Yeah. What day?
Day 21. I'll help you find it. You just pop it open.
Just do the work. Red. Oh,
It's another sake.
it's a red. It's a
Interesting.
a Garnacha.
I thought it said Grenache, but
Garnacha?
but yeah.
I've never heard of this varietal. It's an interesting name for wine.
I'm not going to...
Brillo Solar?
Brillo Solar. I'm not going to read... Oh, this is actually stronger than I thought. I thought it was going to be like
What is it, 15%?
13.5.
Oh,
Look, yesterday's was 7
8.
or 8%.
Yeah. Typically red wines are 13 to 15.
Yeah.
I've never...
more absolutely. Sorry.
I've never heard of this varietal before.
Yeah.
I don't even know if this is in our wine book.
Very exciting. A varietal that we've never heard of before.
Never heard of it.
Garnacha, Spain. So we'll open this up really quickly.
I'm eager to taste it. I
Me
have
too.
no idea what it will taste like. All right.
Here's your glass, ma'am. So we have our Garnacha, Spain.
I thought it said Grenache.
I did too. I'm like, ooh, a Grenache
which
from
is
Spain.
something, yeah.
Well, it's usually French. Grenache, right? Is that French grape? French varietal?
Oops.
Alright, let's see what this smells like.
Nice. Ruby garnet color. You know what? It smells like a red burgundy.
Really?
Yeah, like a
It's like a French Pinot Noir?
French Pinot Noir.
Very similar, it does smell very nice. We have our Magnum Edition Wine Folly, Grenache, Blanc, Grenache, oh, Garnacha, C. Grenache.
Oh, it is a Grenache from Spain. A Grenache grape grown in Spain.
Maybe. In Spain, the northern Spanish regions produce fantastic fruit-forward, high-alcohol styles of Garnacha with punchy red fruit flavors, subtle notes of sweet pink. No, so I'm not going to let you. I'm going to let you tell me the tasting notes since I just read that. But I'll talk more about this after we sip our wine.
So, I never knew this. A Garnacha is a Grenache grape from Spain.
Yes.
Wow.
All right,
Okay,
ready
so
to
we
try
were,
it?
we were like, oh, it's Grenache. I guess we're right.
In a way, we were right before being. I like the smell of
It smells
it.
good, yeah.
It's probably really fruity though. It's probably pretty fruit forward.
Cheers.
Not what I thought it was going to be at all.
No.
No. It lingers actually.
A really long finish.
Drier than I thought. It also has, I don't know.
I thought it was gonna be fruit bomb, but it's really on the drier
Smells
side.
fruity.
Yeah.
It smells fruity, but it's dry.
Is it peppery?
Yes. Like spice, pepper.
Ooh, it is dry.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah. I feel like Grenache is usually dry though.
whole tongue is dry.
Yeah. It immediately like dries your whole mouth out.
I don't know how to feel about this.
Yeah.
I'm like, I think this would go really good with like a ribeye.
Like something fatty.
Something fatty, something like unctuous, creamy, maybe like something you need to like.
You need to cut that.
Mm-hmm.
Let me read this, and
Okay.
then we'll talk about. Okay,
Ooh,
so
it was dry.
very dry. Grenache produces rich, flavorful red wine as well as deep ruby tinted rosé. Grenache is the most important variety in Chateauneuf-du-Pape and Rhone GSM blend. The high intensity flavors of Grenache match roasted meats and vegetables that include exotic spices like cumin, allspice, Asian 5-spice. I think we've already read the Grenache part, but tasting notes from the Spanish Garnacha is raspberry, hibiscus, pink grapefruit, dried herbs, clove. I can't tell you that like that's the herb or the herbs or spices that I'm tasting, but it's dry and it's spicy.
Spicy,
and it's,
dry, yeah. Pink grapefruit? Is that what that's
pink
like?
grapefruit, yeah. Interesting.
I see it being a little bit tart, but I don't know about pink grapefruit.
So the cool
bitter kind of?
Yeah, but like the cool thing about this book is like for some of the blends, or maybe even all the blends, or the varietals, I don't know why I said blends, but the varietals, they have like a tasting wheel of like things that you might taste from this varietal. So Grenache, there's primary, secondary, and then tertiary tasting notes on this, which is kind of interesting. So it's a lot of black and red fruit, dried fruits, citruses, spices, flour, herbal, other earthy, and then the tertiary is like aging process in oak. So you're gonna get on the very end of it maybe vanilla, chocolate, sandalwood, cedar.
Some cedar. That's interesting.
Earthiness, smoke, crushed gravel, clay pot, leather, which is an interesting.
Probably the aging style of the wine.
Like if you gotta think in Spain too, or just in that region, you know.
Older.
Yeah, but
winemaking styles.
Temperatures and stuff like that. Interesting.
That's really interesting. What's the third Grenache type from Spain? From where
Spain, Rhone Valley, France, and Sardinia. The island of, maybe I'm not saying it right, Sardegna. The island specializes in Grenache, or it's called their Cananao. The style here is lighter body, very rustic with flavors of leather, dried fruit, red, and wild game. There's fruitier examples as well, but the rustic version is well worth a taste. Interesting.
I don't know how to feel about this.
I don't.
How do you feel about it?
I don't mind it. It's dry, but I don't mind it. So on the back here it says.
This isn't a weekly sipper.
Yeah, no, you need food.
Yeah.
Food.
This is like a dinner wine.
This Spanish Grenache is vibrant and expressive with a deep ruby hue and aromas of cherries, raspberries, wild strawberries. Subtle notes of black pepper, Mediterranean herbs add complexity. Silky and balanced on the palate, its juicy fruit flavors lead to a smooth, elegant finish.
I don't know.
Yeah.
It's not reading smooth to me.
Yeah, it's very dry.
It's very dry. It's a long finish.
Tannic.
Right. So it says Spanish Garnacha is a true reflection of Spain's rich winemaking heritage. With roots that trace back centuries, Garnacha thrives in regions like Aragon, Priorat, and Rioja. These wines are known for their deep ruby color and expressive flavors of cherries, raspberries, and strawberries. Often you'll find hints of black pepper and Mediterranean herbs that add complexity to its profile. It's usually silky and balanced, offering juicy fruit flavors and a smooth, elegant finish. It says it's a favorite among wine enthusiasts. Tapas, grilled meats, paella, roasted vegetables, cheeses, and barbecue are some wine pairings for that.
Spicy, big flavor dishes, but like with that, you need a break. And I mean,
my mouth is still dry.
Yeah, mine too.
Like, middle of my tongue is like dry.
Yeah, but you need food with this wine.
Paella, I could see a paella or something creamy, a risotto.
The foods that they're talking about are big flavor dishes, so that might actually.
You need a big flavor one.
Well, something like this that might break up some of the like fattiness or richness of any of those dishes.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna rate.
This is kind of hard.
It is because I don't mind it, but I also don't. All right, go ahead.
I feel like I need water, or like maybe that's the. Oh my gosh. Maybe that's the design behind it, like
Maybe.
being so dry that you want to eat more with it.
Maybe. I don't know. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I might like it more than you.
Yeah. It's very dry to me.
It is.
I feel like my rating is based on, can you drink it without food? I think that's a bonus. Can you drink it with food? I think that's also a bonus.
Right.
To go both ways, to be versatile.
Right.
Would I serve this to someone coming over for dinner? Like, would it be like something I would recommend to someone?
Sure.
So like, I don't necessarily know if this checks all those boxes.
Right.
That's the only reason I give it a 6, but
Sure.
it's okay.
Yeah.
It surprises me how dry it is.
Yeah, it's very dry.
For it to say it's fruit forward and smooth finish, I disagree.
I feel like it's the opposite of that.
Yeah, it's kind of like
bold and
yeah.
dry and like in your face kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah, you almost need like water to drink with it.
Yeah, I need water. My mouth.
My tongue. I'm talking and my tongue is like, yeah.
Okay.
So.
All
Well,
right.
day 22 tomorrow.
Yeah, it's a wrap on 21.
All right. So we're gonna start getting all like the different blends now, or not
Some
blends,
unique
but
ones?
different varietals, things that like Grenache, but I've never heard of it called that.
Me either. I've never even seen this
yeah.
on a wine list. I guess I would have read the book a little bit more than I would sell that.
Sure.
Garnacha.
But still
Garnacha.
a fun learning opportunity here.
Yeah.
So tomorrow,
The more you know.
probably gonna be a white.
Probably. Day 22 tomorrow.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna get a prosecco from
Prosecco
Italy.
from Italy.
Yeah.
I'm on with that. I hope we do.
Or stick with the Spain regions, like Spanish, maybe a cava, a sparkling cava.
Oh, you're really looking for a cava.
Looking for a sparkling.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe we'll get
Or
something
maybe
with
champagne
bubbles.
will be the last one. I'm really curious to see if day 24 is like something
Big.
kind of out there. Yeah, interesting.
Yeah.
So we're getting down to the last few days. So
Well, see you tomorrow. Day
Yeah.
22 tomorrow.
thank you for
So,
sticking around.
Yeah. See you later.
Cheers.
Bye.
I don't have any wine left, but I
Cheers, but my mouth is dry.
don't. Ugh.